So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, and now you want to expand system, and now you want to expand current control set, and now you want to expand control. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you've now expanded control. Now that we've expanded control, I'm now going to make this a bit bigger so we can see easier. Now you want to right click on control and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this storage space device space policies. So you want to call this new folder storage device policies, spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. Make sure that you select storage device policies, which will now take us into this folder. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the blank space and then click on new and then click on dword for 8-bit value. You want to call this right space protect. Again, same spelling as I did with capitals and lowercase, and then click on enter. Now you want to double click on right protect. Make sure that in this box right here you have the number 0. So make sure that on the value data you have the number 0 and then click on OK. For the next step, make sure that your drive is plugged in, the one that you're getting the right protection problem with, whether that be USB or just an external drive. Make sure that it's plugged into your computer. So now once it's plugged in, now you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. It should now be showing all of your disks right here. You might have disk 0, 1, 2, etc. You want to find your drive where you're getting the right protection problem on. You're going to know which drive is which by the size right here. So now you want to type in select space disk space and then the number of your disk. I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in disk 0. In your case, if your USB is like disk 1, you want to type in that and then click on enter. Once your disk has been selected, you want to type in attributes space disk space clear space read only and then click on enter. In my case, it did not work because I selected my Windows drive. But in your case, if you selected your USB or just any external drive, it should then be working for you. It should be saying disk attributes cleared successfully. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.